Hi, today I'm for the new Lenovo Tab P11 second generation, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere App on this device. So to do that, we should first open the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the here. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, tap to open the app, click yes, I agree, tap to close, it's OK. And now we can see information about our battery temperature. So in my case, that's 32.5 degrees. Also, we can find here more information like the battery health, level, voltage, model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.